I did. Back in the day.
In the day, Dizzle?
Thought I did. Now I don't know what I got. I'm ready to use something then.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty?
Oh, here it is. I found it.
Ooh, that doesn't feel good.
Well, did you over tighten it last time? And that's why it
Shut up!
stripped? Yeah. Now we do oil pan.
Dude, I feel like I'm bending the oil pan.
Okay.
Do you see
I
that?
did it.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's scary.
Don't do it so tight.
You don't do it.
Oh, here it is. Oh, here. I need to like. You gotta see what I'm doing. This one.
Like, I didn't tighten it that hard. Like, don't get me wrong, I tightened it a little bit.
Yeah.
But like, I never go to the extreme. That was just that. You know? See, I told you I don't know how to judge my good and tight.
Fine on the brakes.
You think so?
Yeah. I did.
I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not that it won't work. I can't make it work. It's just, it's not the best one. That's all I'm saying.
Special. Hands down. Alright, here's. It's fixed.
All three?
Yeah, man.
Damn, look at you go, son.
Fuck around.
You can fuck around.
It's heavy.
Dude, this fucking oil filter is such a shitty place because, like, it's gonna go everywhere.
Well, it's got a little thing that it catches. It catches it on the little drain pan.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, there's like a little thing there.
That's what the drain pan is for? Or this pan is?
Not the pan, but there's like a little thing right underneath it, a plastic.
Oh.
Catches the oil and it comes down the little chute. But you gotta clean that little thing where the oil drips from. Otherwise it leaks.
Oh, I would figure.
I'll let you use the rest of your can brake clean on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Rest of my can.
Yep. I haven't even touched the can. No need. I don't know if you can touch the can. That's fine. I'll let this.
If you're watching this and you've gotten to this part, yes, we know that Ford recommends synthetic blend, but we're doing full synthetic
Whatever.
because why not?
Well, plus I found an oil record and an oil change record in the truck.
Oh, in the truck, and it was
Not
full?
synthetic the entire time.
Oh, full synthetic?
Yep. So I guess it's good that I kept going.
I mean, I can't listen. Like, I get them recommending synthetic blend, like you said.
Don't be this way. It's 20. I didn't check it. I didn't open it up.
5W20. Yeah.
Hey, me. Sure.
Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W20. That's a little big. Well, I guess I'm gonna need a big one anyways, because we're taking off the rotor, right? Because we're doing the back rotors too. So definitely. No, I'm wrong. That's definitely like an 18 or a 19 over here. 18, don't give me your shit. Dude, that pizza. It said.
There, you want to try the caliper?
It said. He's gay.
Huh? Who's gay?
I'm guessing me, because that's all it said. It was on the taillight video that I did, like, I don't know, 4 years ago at this point.
He said he's gay.
Yeah, that was the comment. He's gay. Oh, yeah, yeah. It still had some life, but this one was ready.
Interesting.
Yeah, that was the comment. He's gay. I was like, you know what? Normally I reply to all comments, and I was gonna originally have fun with it, but then I was just like, not today, Satan. Was this a snap-on? No, this is a Mac Tools, baby. No, it's okay. I don't stick with one either. That's right. Deals win. Or sponsor. I expected way worse the way you were talking. Hey, it's alright. Nothing wrong with prematurely changing your pads and rotors. Yeah. Oh, dude, I saw moving. Oh, it's getting closer.
Smart man.
Good job, Dave. Jesus. I don't want this giant piece of shit.
Use this one before after you're done with that. I'll get you more cookies.
You never know, you know, you gotta always double check. Do you put you don't put anything on these bolts, do you? Like anti-seize or
Thread lock?
thread lock?
Nope. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's working for this thing, but if it can't fit,
There we go. I'm putting it in. Nope. Nope. Nope.
not getting it.
No, I quit. I give up. Just kidding.
Oopsie.
Yeah, I've been on and off. I've been debating if I want to put grease on the, like, I was doing it, and then sometimes I wouldn't, and I'm like, is it really going to cause squeaking noise? Like, usually the shims make sense. I forgot, how much does that usually run? Like 200?
$200.
It's not bad though.
Maybe 230 with the hoodie or something.
I like that last hoodie.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Jeez.
Yeah, probably.
Holy shit. That's Stone Age? That's not even considered music anymore?
No. Horrible.
Jesus Christ. System of the Down is considered oldies.
Yep.
That's the oldies, huh?
It is the oldies one.
Oh, this lug nut's not going to hold this in.
Yeah, to get a big nut.
See, now you're being a dick. Sure. The wear down tabs for squealing. Interesting. Interesting. You, sir, are a champion. And don't you let anybody else tell you
Other
otherwise.
side's already pushed in.
You fucked it up, not me. I upgraded to a yellow top a while back. It was my first track day ever. I got rid of the stock battery, upgraded a yellow top. Everybody knows that the 4-cylinder Honda Accord has a shitty battery, but I opted to not upgrade to the V6 and just went with the stock but yellow top version. And it died this winter. It's, you know, 2022, and it died. It died in the car. The car was sitting. I don't drive it that much during the winter. It was sitting and it finally died. So my buddy used this awesome ancient charger and we got it charged up. I'm cleaning the terminals a little bit, and I'm hoping this, I'll clean the top of the battery too. I'm hoping this saves me from buying a new battery. However, if I do end up buying a new battery, I'm going lithium. Same size as stock, but lithium has more power, so I'll be doing that. Assuming this didn't help. But I mean, we just tested it with the multimeter. It was 12.98. We'll see if it ends up saving. Hey man, someone's trying to work here.
Yeah, no.
What the fuck?
Trying to save some studs.
This is the current project. By the time you see this video, these videos are probably already out.
I love papers. That's nice. Where have you been all my life? Hiding in the shed.
That's nice and clean, dude.
Did a good job?
It did all right. It didn't get all the way at the bottom, but it's good. Not ideal, but I'm just gonna use some glass cleaner.
One day, you're going to be my room.
Hey, hey. You say that though. Was that S track?
Getting close to somebody's house.
I was gonna buy a GTS before I got my right.
3,000.
I mean, they all do. White 3000 GPs look like this.
It's nice though. It's a nice setup.
Like a current trick. Something about this color.